Oh yeah, it started. Okay, this video has started. So this is my actual first one, so I did a practice one. So, if you guys would like to, if you guys would like to hear it, here, this, it would probably be better. So there's this thing, so you can, rare treasures and riches vast from pirate legends in the past. See some pretty cool pictures here. I like them. he has his grog, shared voyages with faithful crew called to sail the ocean blue. Pretty good music instrument. The sea of thieves, the rumors fair, fortune lies buried there. Hidden route in the peaceful sky, fortune calls to the ocean natural. The gold order seep beneath the sand, the key to chest within the hands. The order of souls are full of mystery, they came to seek the scrolls of history. Ooh, a snake, that's pretty cool. The merchant alliance are seeking coin, a profit made by those that join. Those are pretty much usually the easiest for me. Athens' fortune now calls key to become a legend upon the sea. Okay. Oh, this is usually a long time. Okay, so we're gonna be doing an adventure. Let's see. Let's do the sloop this time. It's just to start. Let's not do a crew this time. Maybe next time. I don't know. Last time I did, they put me in jail, so probably not gonna do it anymore. Okay, so today it's just gonna be me playing. Maybe I'll occasionally have some people join, but I don't know. Okay. So this is my character right over here. He has some issues. The guy with the holding the barrel of stuff, he has some issues. He's addicted to grog, which is a type of beer, and he like lays around by the fireplace. But he's a pretty good musician. I don't know how to say it really, but so this takes a long time. So today we won't be doing any quests. We'll be just exploring the island, and you'll see what my guy likes and what he's forbidden to do. So yeah. So some things he's forbidden to do, and you will know what and why. And you don't really want to know what and why because it's very gross. You'll see it in the video. I'll just give you a hint. It starts with a B. Yeah. So you probably don't want to hear this right now. If you're eating, do not watch some of this. If you're eating right now, don't watch part of this. I mean, if you're eating now because you're gonna be, let's see, your food will not be in your mouth. Okay, an old rogue has been spotted in charge of blah blah blah. Okay, ooh, that's a cool ship. Are those I have money, but those monkeys and parrots and stuff, they cost a different type of money. I need to get a purchase to do that. And I don't have any. They're like these, pearls. I think I have one of those. Wait, I'm not sure. Wait, I think I can find one of those. Wait, I've gotten it those before. I don't know. Actually, I may have not gotten it those. Aw, those are so cute. Until they just attack the guy. Okay. That guy looks British or something. Oh, they're gonna attack. I don't think I wanna. I don't wanna. Oh my gosh, he's freaky. He's freaky. His eyes are bright blue. I'm bright blue. I have bright blue eyes. That's really creepy. Oh my gosh, that guy's creepy too. He has oh my gosh, why does he have chains on his arms? Okay, that's just weird. Okay. Oh, that guy has blue on his eyes, probably to protect them from the sun like those football players do. Ew, man, that just, I don't think I'd want to live there. Well, let's see if these. Okay, I think it's gonna start. Oh yeah, it's gonna start. Oh, hi. Hello, guys. So you can get guac from Tracy. AC butt. Tracy and everything, but where's the door? I need to get on the door. Okay. Oh, it's nighttime. Let's get a lantern. So, you guys ever want to play? You need to. Oh, it's daytime. Oh, it's not. I guess not. It's not. So if you guys ever want to play this, play this, you you can do Q to get to your items and everything, and you can press random different buttons too. Okay, so this one will be just exploring, which I already said, and I'm repeating everything I say. Okay, let's open this barrel. Ooh, wooden planks, good. What? Wait, I can put these back. I'm gonna put these back. Oh, darn. It's creepy. Okay. Yeah, see if these, sometimes the skeleton pounced on me. Oh, that was freaky. You don't want to hear about that. Let's just say, yeah, that was not good. I need to. Ooh, look, there's a camp. Is there anything? Wait, is this barrel? Yeah, it is. Okay, so oh, we've already been going for a while. Just jump. Have you lost your thing to eating? You only eat like bananas. Yes. And worms. You're gonna, yeah. Yes, I know it's gross. He eats worms. So I did a practice video, and he ate some worms. Let's just say he barked them up. Let's just say that happened. Yeah. And he might have done that a couple times, just so you know. I can't lie to you, so he may have done that a couple times. Okay. A couple times. Let's roast some bananas. Roast some bananas? What am I talking about? Okay, that's gross. Okay. F, cooked banana. I'm gonna cook my banana. Wow, that really sounds like a pleasant meal. Cooked banana. Cooked banana. Cooked banana. Achievement unlocked. Oh, cool. Oh yeah, I burned a piece of food. Oh, let's try to overburn it. Maybe the fire will go like, maybe I'll get the fire. Let's take banana. Okay, here's this stale banana. Good as new. Gross, gross. I ate a banana. That banana got burnt. Burnt banana. Who wants burnt banana? Not me in my life. Well, it's my character we're talking about here, so let's see. Okay, I'm gonna tell you exactly what happened in the last video, even though you will definitely not want to hear it. Check this out. There are worms in his hand. He takes the worms. He eats them. It gets blurry. He gets very blurry. He's about to barf. He is. You observe he has barfed and everything's getting blurry. Blurry. That is what I need to tell you. Oh yep, he barfed again. That's just normal. That's just normal. I have to deal with all the time. Ooh, what's this? Your trumpet. Wait, do I have enough money? Ooh, yeah, I do. Wait. No. Wait, I want to go to the weapons store to buy some more weapons. So you can go to...
It's been memorable.
It's been memorable? Okay, that's just weird. He's like, it's been memorable. It's been memorable. That's the soul. Hi, Humphrey the Horde. Ooh, she does not look good. That's all I can say about him. He does not look very charmed. He does not look very good. No. Ooh, that's the weapon store. It took to windy.
Ah, the legend is here.
Windy stock. Let's see. Let's check. Shop. Oh darn. Let's see. We can get. Ooh. Diamond. Oh darn, we don't have enough money for those. I hope by the end of the series we will. I just have our plain
Go
old
and get some legends.
one. So check this out. I can show you. So you can press 1 to get your sword. Shing! Wah! And then hold on it. And then press 2 to get your gun. And you can aim. Whoa! And then let's shoot it in the sky. It's pretty loud too. So and you can go into your ship and there's a little weapony box. I'm not sure if I already said this but you can you can switch between your guns and your swords. Watch this. This is gonna be hilarious for you and embarrassing. Okay. Dancing. I'm dancing, I am dancing, I am dancing, I'm dancing. People saw him and if he was in regular, in a city, people would freak at him. They'd be like, "You're crazy." He's a pretty good he's a good musician. He's actually a pretty good magician. Musician? Okay, that's weird. Ooh, guys, if you would like to see him drink some grog, get drunk? Sure, I'd be happy to show you this. Okay, so let's go into the bar. Yeah, already has a filled glass.
Ready when you are. See you some other time.
He's starting to get drunk. Starting to get drunk.
Take your time. No hurry.
I want my
Very
book.
exciting tales to share.
No, I do not have any.
And don't be careful out there.
Ready when you are. Take your time. No hurry. No
Yeah.
problem.
Ooh, he got some in his cup. He drinks it sometimes. That's one of his. Give me grog. Give me it.
What will it be? See you some other time.
He's drinking his throw up. Gross. Oh god, he drank his throw up again. Well, pirates are gross. Oh my gosh, why is he having such a habit drinking his throw up? He's drinking it again. Looks like he has a gun. Ooh, he's gonna shoot the bartender. He's going to. Hi, Hi, I've been looking to do a murder today. I'm a pirate, so. Ew, there's throw up on the floor. And over there. Shoot her. Oh, yeah, I've lost that. Give me. What? I'm cutting your clothes. Ooh. How do you like getting your face stabbed for not giving me grog? That's anyone's punishment for not giving me grog. Okay, now it's daytime, so it's a better. Ooh, we can switch her. Open armory. Stay. I have reach. Use this. This out. Okay. Let's try to shoot. See? Wait, let's aim it a little down. Over. Ew, I hit the target, but not. Oh, poop. I need to. He's a bad man. He's a bad man. He's a bad man. He's a bad man. No. Oh, we died. Okay. I am gonna come there. I hope he'll enjoy dying soon enough. Okay. Okay, we'll probably do about 10 more minutes. I hate this part. For real. Fury of the Damned. Okay, come on. Okay, so this is called Fury of the Damned. Fury of the Damned. Oh, Fury of the Damned. Okay, that's I hate that. This place is really Fury of the Damned. Oh, okay. Oh, yay! I'm getting ready for murder. Aha! If I find that guy on this island, this stupid ship, and everything we are thieves. Okay, that's Avatar voice. Wait, let's shoot. I'm using my gun. This is a pirate scope. Even though I already have one. It's just easier. Ooh, birds. What? There must be a guy over there. Oh, there's. It was murdered. Murdered, I tell you. Murdered. Wait, I think. Wait, let me try this. Forgot how to do it. Oh, dude. Wait. How do you chat again? How do I get to the chat thing? Wait. No. That's no. I'm gonna get to it. Where do I? Wait. CTR. Wait, how do you chat? I forgot. I'm meant to know how to do it. Let's do it. How do you? I have something funny to chat, but I'm gonna give you this compass. Alright, you got a free compass. Ooh, grog. You want any grog? No grog. No. Drink grog slowly. No drunkies. No more drunk. You can get drunk once a video. Oh my gosh, he never listens. He wants to drink some more. Just exchange it for the sniper rifle or something. Oh no, you're drunk. Oh, you're gonna throw up. Oh, come on. I hate when you throw up. Oh no. Take your sniper rifle. Take your sniper rifle for protection. Oh, there's a zombie. Tree. You think there's a... Oh my gosh. Oh, I hate when he's drunk. Because now we cannot focus on the mission. Aiken voice. Okay, well, we don't actually exactly have a mission, or do we? Wait a minute. Aha. There's somebody else's ship. I will go on it, on an adventure on their ship, and I will steal all their treasures. Yes. I'm gonna steal their ship. Aha. Sorry, no ship for you. Sorry. That's what you get. That's what you get for being a threat to me. Oh. Hi. like that. I dare not accept that. I dare not accept that. Q. I dare not accept that. Only me can kill me. Only me. Oh, I'll show him who's boss. And get on his ship, and I will destroy him with my cutlass. Guns are so hard to kill people with in this game because they like never read. Oh, I'm gonna die in the sea. He's gonna be murdered. Me hearty. Listen, me hearty. Oh. Is he here? I hope he isn't. Oh no, I hope he isn't. Oh, I cut him. Okay. No. Bury the damned again? I hate that. So bad. Ugh. 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 Okay, and I think this was a pretty good first video. Our next one will definitely be longer than this one. This one was a pretty short one. Next one we'll probably be doing a Merchant Alliance quest, which will be fun. So we're back here, and that was a good video, and I'm looking forward to doing it the next time.